Welcome back to the Nap Lab. Today, we're reviewing the IKEA Anneland, IKEA's most expensive mattress model that we've tested to date. The IKEA Anneland is a 9.5-inch hybrid mattress made of polyfoam, memory foam, and a support foam layer of pocketed coils and a support foam on the base. The Anneland is available in 3 firmness levels: medium, medium firm, and slightly firm. We tested the medium firm version. This mattress has moderate sinkage and moderate levels of bounce. This gives the mattress a balanced feel and a slight degree of contour. It has a thin comfort layer, which doesn't do the mattress any favors for pressure relief. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 7.04, ranking the mattress in the bottom 3% among all mattresses tested to date. That said, it's designed as a low-budget hybrid and has made sacrifices in performance to target the ultra-low price. The IKEA Anneland is $599 for a queen, which is 61% less expensive than the average hybrid, a savings of over $900 for a queen size. If you're tight on cash or just need something for a temporary fix, the Anneland could work, but it's certainly not my first pick for anybody. IKEA mattresses come with a 180-night trial period and a 10-year warranty. Shipping is not free and is highly dependent on your proximity to an IKEA warehouse. Some zip codes have no options available, and others, like my own, have shipping as low as $19. As the cherry on top, you can only return the mattress for store credit, where most mattress brands offer your money back in the form of your original payment method. This is a huge negative in my view. Next, we're going to talk through what the IKEA Anneland does best. First and foremost, the Anneland is fantastic for those with lower budgets. At $600 for a queen, this is 59% less expensive than the average mattress price. Second, the mattress has a quick off-gassing duration. If you're more sensitive to strong odors, you won't have to wait very long for the mattress to stop smelling. Third, the mattress's slim 10-inch profile is ideal for spaces that may not accommodate thicker models, such as loft beds, bunk beds, trundles, and RVs. However, not all mattresses are ideal for all sleepers. Let's talk through the important consideration points for the IKEA Anneland. First, the mattress scored below average in 7 out of our 8 performance tests. Among those include cooling and pressure relief, which are the 2 most important performance areas according to our survey of over 80,000 sleepers. Second, the overall score of the mattress ranks it in the bottom 3% among all mattresses we've tested to date. Suffice to say, that's not great. Lastly, the Anneland is simply not comfortable in my view, and it can lead to significant pressure relief issues. This isn't the worst mattress I've ever tested, but it's close. Your body weight and sleep position impact the types of mattress that are best able to support you. Our analysis is designed to help match the correct mattress to the right body types and sleeping positions. Support on the IKEA Anneland is mediocre. During our test, I felt reasonably well supported, but I also felt notable pressure points which negatively impacted support. The mattress is equipped with a 5-inch support layer. This is 2.91 inches or 37% thinner than the average support layer thickness of 7.91 inches based on all of our tests to date. For a mattress to create ideal support, it needs to both support the body, keeping the spine in a neutral alignment, while also creating sufficient comfort and pressure relief. In my view, this mattress is simply not especially comfortable to lie on for extended periods of time. It creates noted pressure points, especially in my back, hips, and shoulders. The foam quality and foam formulations simply limits pressure relief and creates a feel that is far from ideally comfortable. In addition, this mattress is notably thinner than average. Thinner mattresses simply have less material with which to comfort and support the body. The thinness of this mattress is certainly having a negative impact on the total support experience. The body can more easily sink through the comfort layer and engage with a very thin 3.75-inch coil unit. For reference, 6 to 8 inches is a more typical height for a coil unit. If there is a silver lining, it's the multiple firmness options, which can be helpful if you know you prefer a firmer or softer feel. Even so, it's not enough to solve the underlying support and pressure relief issues that are inherent to a mattress at this height and with this level of foam quality. Based on all of my tests to date, an analysis of the materials, and my subjective experiences, I'm confident that most sleepers will find support on the IKEA Anneland to be mediocre. So, should you buy the IKEA Anneland, a $600 hybrid? In short, I don't recommend it. The Anneland simply has too many performance issues that can't be overlooked, even giving the low price. While this $600 price is attractive, there are other better performing mattresses out there that will also give you a full refund if it doesn't work out, not just store credit. The areas that it does well in, including motion transfer and off-gassing, are nice benefits, but also don't make up for the poor pressure relief or bad cooling. At the end of the day, the performance simply isn't good, and as a result, this is not a mattress I can recommend. If you're still looking for a budget-friendly mattress, we've got a whole list of options that are better than the Anneland. Our best cheap mattress video ranks the best mattresses we've tested to date that are $700 and under for a queen. Click on the link on screen now to check it out.